A very good afternoon to everyone. For today's Excel lesson, I'll be teaching you people on the function of VLOOKUP. This VLOOKUP functions is to check the employee number of the staff and to get the staff salary. Alright, so basically, as you can see on this tab here, we have records of the employees in your department. Okay, an example, I'm just showing you not many of these employees, but how do we get this employee number when we type in the employee number of John, or let's say an employee number of Eric or Lydia? The employee salary will appear out. All right, so basically the thing here is very simple. Okay, I'll just show you. Okay, so we wanted to come up the staff salary, and then the primary checking point would be the employee number. So we need to use the function VLOOKUP. Okay, we put equals VLOOKUP, open bracket, and then you can see that these are the things that is coming up, like lookup value. So the lookup value here, we want to put it in would be the employee number, and then comma, table array. Table array is the master listing of the employees, okay, that we have. So basically, it is actually in column B, and then we want to check the employee salary, right? The employee salary is at column E. Okay, so basically, if I were to pull down here, column B, C, D, E. So it's actually at the fourth column. We put comma, then we put number 4, and then after that we put 0, true value, then close bracket. Okay, you can see now the employee salary currently is not applicable. It's because there is no employee number being typed in. So basically, if let's say I want to check the employee salary of John, so I just put in John's employee number, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times number 1, I just press enter. You can see that the amount of John's salary would be 65,000. Let's say I want to check the Ronaldo's salary. So the Ronaldo's employee number would be 111114. So I just enter it in for, and then you just compare whether the Ronaldo salary is correct or not. It's still 64,000. All right. So let's say I want to check Finian's salary. Finian's employee number would be 111117. Okay. So Finian is getting a salary of 70,000, which is correct. All right. So I hope that this VLOOKUP on employee number to get the employee salary, it is an easier way for you to check on tons of records in your work in a more simpler way. I hope that this Excel training is benefiting you to provide your job in a more efficient manner. Thank you very much for your time on listening to my Excel classes. Thank you.